My name is Sakshi. I'm a homemaker, and I love taking care of my home and family every day. My day starts early, often before the sun rises, as I cherish the quiet moments of dawn. I begin with a refreshing morning walk in the park, enjoying the fresh air and chirping birds. After my walk, I prepare a nutritious smoothie and meditate for 15 minutes to stay calm and focused. By 7 a.m., I make breakfast for my family, enjoying the variety from fluffy pancakes to hearty oatmeal. After breakfast, I help my children get ready for school, ensuring they have everything they need. Once they're off, I plan my day and tidy up the house, focusing on organization. I also spend time in my garden, nurturing my plants. Mid-morning is for errands, usually at the local market. After lunch, I read or engage in creative hobbies. In the afternoon, I help my children with homework and enjoy family time with games or chats. I start dinner preparations, trying new recipes. Dinner is our special family time, filled with stories and laughter. We often take a short walk afterward. Before bed, I ensure everything is ready for the next day and reflect on my day over herbal tea. Being a homemaker is busy, but the joy of seeing my family happy makes it all worthwhile.